you open it?
Mm-hmm.
No, can you get it?
Mm-hmm. I'm opening it now.
You don't care to get it?
I can get it.
Not funny.
Oh, you're right. That wasn't funny at all.
Uh-oh. Daddy, no!
Happy, spit it out.
Don't eat that.
You have you use a remote?
He needs batteries, obviously.
Yeah.
Yeah, just show him the car for now, McKinley. Whoa,
There it is.
dude.
That's what I was looking for.
Look at that. How about?
What is it, Bubba-Doo? Bubba-Doo, what do you got there?
Can I have it?
Mm-hmm. It's yours.
Where you going, bub?
To play with his car.
Look, you need to put batteries in it. Batteries.
Then you'll put
Yeah,
batteries in it
we'll
for you,
show him
okay?
that all later, McKinley.
Look at all your
Oh, but just look at your car. You like your car?